right, here we are with this month's June and July, actually, of these 2 months creations. Hey y'all, it's Sarah, and this is my video that shows my June and July of 2025 Stash Busters. Now, we're going to start with some of the smaller things, and one of the things that I just made this morning is this little tiny bag. Now this is one of the drawstring bags, like this one. I did this one in a video one time a while back, and I made quite a few of these, and I even made a little charm for this bag. But inside of this bag, I put all kinds of jicky-jack junk, and I throw my rings normally. So now I have a little tiny bag to put my rings in. So now I'm going to put my rings on, and we'll get started. I do wear my ring most of the time, just not at night. So there's my little ring bag, and that was number 1. The next thing is these little scrubbers. I made a few more of these this month, and that's all that is. Some of these are going to go for a market one day, so hopefully I can do that soon. Maybe October is what I'm kind of looking forward to for the market. If I do one, it will be in October or next year. But I've got little octopi, little octopuses, and I've got 5 of these. I love these, and these were made from one skein of, I think it's called Just Yarn from the Dollar Tree. So they're very soft and squishy and fun, and oh my goodness, I love these little guys. They're leggy. I love them so much. Then I've got my little frog family, which we have Mama Frog and Daddy Frog and Baby Frog. I've had so much fun making these. These were also made with the yarn that I got from Amazon. So these are Stash Busters on the Amazon yarn, and they are double stitched, triple yarned, and I'll have to do a video to show you how you do that. You take one skein of yarn, one piece of yarn, and you pull it through, and you have a thickness of 3 to work with, so they're thicker. This one is just the thin working, and this one's the thicker working, and so is she. So we have our little happy frogs. Little happy frog family. And then we have my big monster, Buzzy. Buzzy the bee was for our magnified VBS, and the kids loved him, and the teachers loved him, and everybody loved Buzzy. And I love Buzzy, and he's so big and fuzzy, and this is made with loops and threads. And because of him, I ended up making the 2 baby bees. So they're a little different. This one has little mean eyes, and this one has little fun giggly eyes. And they're a little, one's smaller, one's bigger. But this was in the remaining yarn I had of making my Buzzy. So he was fun, and I haven't decided what I want to do with him yet. I don't think I can sell him because he's so soft and fuzzy and fun. I think I'm going to keep him. So anyway, I'm going to stick him back on the table because he does not fit in my basket. Then I'm going to save a couple of those other things for last. But here is the beautiful handbag. The very elegant, gorgeous. I love this bag. It is so pretty. It's made with the wine colored, maybe a burgundy or a fuchsia, and a dark gray. And you have a button here to undo. I do not have a liner in this. I haven't decided if I'll put a liner or not. But this bag is just so pretty. I love the stitches on here, and they're just basic double crochet. It's just beautiful. So that's just another thing. And then on the bag, because I love these, and now I have this one, I also have this one. I've made quite a few of these for my store. I think these are perfect for Renaissance Fair pouch. They just hold so much. I mean, you can put a lot of stuff in here, and you can carry it like this. You can pull the string through both sides. Let's see. Both sides, and carry it like that. You can carry it on your arm. You can tie it in a bow like I've been doing. You can tie this closed. I love these drawstring bags, and I do have a video on making them. This is made with one skein of chunky yarn, and this is just one of my absolute favorite projects to do. It's double crochet. It's simple. The smaller ones are single crochet. But this bag is so much fun, and it's soft, and I think this one's pretty sturdy and tough because it's doubled. It's like a thicker, it's not doubled, it's a thicker chunky yarn. I love this one. Then we have the hats. So I'm about to mess up my hair, but we have hats. First of all, I'll show you the kids' hats that I made. I think this one's is a child hat. These are probably going in the donations. So I only have one child hat. Then I have the green, which is a messy bun beanie. So I really like this one. This is double crochet. Then I have, let's see, I think that's the only messy bun. That's the only messy bun. Then I have this one here, just a soft yarn, double crochet again. You'll have to excuse my background because this is my craft room I'm recording in now. And so it's kind of a mess. It doesn't even look pretty back there. So I hope y'all can just forgive that because it's very messy. Anyway, here's some more hats. That's 3 hats. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6. It's a little shorter, but some people like shorter hats, so I didn't want to make them all long. And then this is number 7. This one's a little longer, and you have a little slouchy part in the back, and it's a chunky yarn. So this is 7. And this one, which is fun, is number 8. Now, some of these, this is the ruffle hat. This one is just fun and just, I don't know, it's exciting to wear. It just makes everything seem fun. And so it has ruffles on it, and yes, I'm a little bit embarrassed because it's cute. Anyway, the ruffle hat is adorable. I love it. This is going to be in my book. So are a few of these others. They're made with different stitches, and they're going to be in my book that I release very soon. Now the last 2 projects, I'm going to go ahead and wear it because it's just adorable. I love it. Anyway, the last 2 projects are, let's see which one. I should show you the first one first. Roly Poly Piggy. He is so cute. I need to adjust his nose just a little bit and put the black a little further up. But he is so cute and so soft. This is also Dollar Tree yarn. And it's their chenille. It's their soft chenille. I just did a different pattern, and I altered it a little bit and made his little ears and his nose different and his little wiggly tail. So, Roly Poly Piggy, he's probably going to go in the store for sure because he's adorable. And the jellyfish. I love the jellyfish. He has more legs than the octopus, and he's just so fun and soft, and any baby would love this. There's no eyes to deal with. This is not Loops and Threads yarn, so this one does not shed. This is Bernat Baby, I think, and it might be Bernat Baby Blanket. I'll have to check that out. I was gifted this skein of yarn with no tag on it, but I think it's Bernat Baby yarn, Baby Blanket. and I could do a video on this if anyone would like. Just put jellyfish in the comments if you want a video on this. If you want a video on Piggy, put Piggy in the comments. If you want a video on Buzzy, put Buzzy in the comments. Anything else, Froggies, if you want a video on any of those, just put that word in the comments and I will happily do a video for those projects. He's so fun. I hope y'all have enjoyed this, and I don't want to keep it too long. My store is Wildly Artistic at storeenvy.com. I'll put the link in the comments or in the description, and I'll probably put it right here on the screen. All my links are in the description. This has been a fun month. June was very busy because we had VBS, and so I did not make the June video. But this is June and July. And I made quite a bit of stuff for June and July. And that's all. I hope y'all are crocheting and having a great time at it and learning new projects. Don't be afraid to learn new projects. I'll show you the book that this came from if anybody wants to see that. Just put Piggy. This one I kind of just figured out. I just made him. And he was fun. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.